Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to show you how to route the KE step by step. It's really easy, especially with the helper script. Once you route on the actual Nebula pad, you hit root and hit the check mark. You gotta wait like 30 seconds and it gives you the password and login. Once you do that, and you also have your IP address of your printer, all you have to do is hit connection. It'll be on the top of the screen on the Nebula pad, just like if you're going to like connect to your Wi-Fi. It's right there. Once you got that, you need to download Putty right here. Putty, P-U-T-T-Y. Once you download that, got it installed, that's all you need, and you will put your IP into Putty right here. So you put your IP and then hit open. Then you will put in root, and then you put creality with a capital C. So creality 2023. And now you're in. Next I will put this in the link in the description below. You will copy and paste this into the machine. It will, when you paste it, hit enter, it will install the helper. Do not want to do it. I've already installed it, but it will install. Once you do that, then you will need to copy and paste this in. So I'll show you. Copy, hit enter. You'll be into the helper script. So now this is where you'll install all your Mainsail, Guppy, all that. Very easy. If you are going to install the Kamp, the adaptive mesh, I would go exactly like this. First, I would hit 1. You need to install this first, the Moonraker. So you need to install that. Once you install that, I would either install Fluid or Mainsail, one or the other. You can do both later, but right now, we'll pick one. Once that's installed, you will need to go back out of this. So hit Q. Go back, and then you will type in this right here for the adaptive mesh. I'll put that in the description below. You will copy and paste that in. That will install the Kamp into the printer. You will also, once you have your printer installed, you will need to go to device, machine, and then to your printer. Where is it at? Printer.cfg. And you will need to type in this right here, the include Kamp settings.cfg. Type that in, and then also you need to exclude objects. You can also put this above it, so you can put that, and that, and then save, restart. Then you will also go over to your Kamp settings right here, and this you will, if you, right now I'm only running adaptive mesh. If you run the line purge, the Voron, or the Smart Park, all you have to do is take that out, and now it's working. And these are some settings you can adjust for line purge and such. Save, restart. But you also need to put this in your G code, like my adaptive mesh. You can do both ways. You can write one and start and stop, and then write that into your printer.cfg, so you include like your start. But I'm lazy, and it's been working for me, so I go right here to my printer, and my machine G code. And for me, I did bed mesh calibrate. That's all I added to this G code to on Orca Slicer. I can add this below in the description, but that's mine right there. And basically you get line purge and the bed mesh calibrate for the object. And also, usually it's included, but you also need to exclude objects. It's in here. I think it's support others right here. Make sure you have exclude objects on. So once that's done, then you can install the rest of the, go back into the helper, then you can install the rest of the options. Like you can go to a number 3, the customize, you can install a Guppy screen. There's a bunch of stuff you can install and play around with. And you go back here and you can also see what you have installed with 6 with information. This right here will show you Moonraker and GX, what I have installed and what I don't. Like improve shapers. Guppy takes care of that. That's why that's not installed. But also one thing on the Kamp, one other thing I forgot to do on Kamp, you also need to, when you're in the device, for updating right here on the right, you need to add that into your Moonraker config. So like right here, my update manager, you have to do this manually for the Kamp, everything right here. So I'll put this down below, but everything from here up, right there, I'll include that in the description below, but you need to add that so it will update and save and restart. But other than that, that's it. Here's your update manager. Like, it's all pretty simple. Makes it real easy with the Creality helper. So that's it. Have a good day. Peace.